welcome to And Evolving, a channel for women over 50. A channel with content for women over 50 to evolve over the next best days of our lives with confidence.
Keywords with confidence.
That's right.
Today we are going to be doing tipsy mother-daughter face masks. We have the
Dr. Jart.
Dr. Jart face
She's going to
mask.
be doing the one for
moisturization.
And I'm going to be doing the one for brightening. We've never done these before, but they look like they're going to be really fun and funny.
Right. We think they're going to be hilarious. So we've made it even better for the viewers by making ourselves tipsy while going through this.
Anyway. We're going to now take off our makeup. I'm going to take off my glasses, and so she's going to be in charge of driving the video.
My personal favorite, I take off my face with the micellar water, and then I take off my eyes with baby oil, because for sensitive, dry skin, it is the best, and your eyes won't get all dry afterwards.
I'm doing the mascara and all that first with the baby oil.
Micellar face.
And actually, when you do this, you can just press it on. You don't have to rub. Just let it do its magic. Just put it on your eyelids and then sweep it over. You don't have to scrub. Is she scrubbing? Not good.
While you said it, I said,
That's not a good thing. Be very gentle with your skin. When you're 59, you'll appreciate it.
right. But it's very important. Micellar water is not supposed to be left on the skin. I like to go and wash it off with water, especially baby oil. Even though it's very hydrating, it's very oily at the same time. Right.
I usually don't use micellar water. I use different cleansers. I either use the L'Occitane cleanser, or I use the e.l.f. cleanser. My very favorite is the Ordinary Squalene cleanser. We will be right back. We're going to go rinse this off so that we're starting with a
Clean base.
All right, so we have cleansed. Of course, I used my cleanser, and I even let her try it. And so now I'm going to read how we do these things. Okay, so I'm sure they're both the same, right?
Except for this one's yours.
Right. But I want to read how to do it.
Lauronic
I
acid.
can't read it, even with my glasses on. It's so small, right there. Open ampule. Step 1, apply. I can't read it. So tiny. Look how teeny tiny.
Can we get a cheers?
Okay, first of all, yeah. But let me just say,
Cheers.
women over 50. Okay, first of all, chances are we wear glasses. Chances are we're the people buying these products because they're $15 a pop. Could they just make it a little larger? I will tell you this, on my website,
I can't even see
you can't even see it. I have on my website, andevolving.com, I made the font so big that I don't need glasses to read it because I'm tired of people catering to young eyes. So, okay, there you have it. I'm going to calm down a little bit now. Open rubber mask. Okay, let's do these one.
Where are you seeing that? It doesn't say that on mine.
Yeah, it does. It's tiny right there. Okay, so
and
we're
apply
gonna
evenly
let's
on skin.
open the goods. Okay, so
It says step 1, I think, on the.
step 1 is the little ampule.
I think that's what
There's no ampule in here.
That's this thingy.
Oh wait, here it
That's
is.
the
Here it is.
ampule.
Brightening ampule. Where's your ampule? Yay! Cheers to the ampule.
Let's read all the directions and then do it.
Okay. I think I'm looking pretty spicy here. Look at this.
Open
hair.
stick ampule. Open rubber mask pouch. Remove protective film and apply upper mask by smoothing out for a perfect fit. Number 3, apply lower mask by pulling both ends up to the ears. 4, after 30 to 40 minutes, remove rubber mask and lightly pat skin to help absorb the remaining ampule.
By
Get
the
our
way,
ampules open.
we bought these at Sephora the other day. They were $14.99 each, and it's a single-use mask.
In fact, we made our purchases at Sephora, and then she went back to grab them because we had eyeballed them so hard. Right.
I thought this would be a fun mother-daughter thing to do.
Right.
Actually, we're in New York, moving for school, and we have been sleeping on air mattresses for a couple of weeks now, and we truly believe that we deserve to treat ourselves. And that's what this is about. So we are at the end of our rope. Waiting for the movers.
The movers come tomorrow.
Just keep adding $1,000 here, $500 there. It has been a horrible experience.
Right.
So we have heard they are coming tomorrow, and we are hopeful this is true.
Right.
And so we thought, let's go ahead and have a little celebratory party tonight. So let's get on with it. Okay, I'm taking off my glasses. Okay.
Is this how you do it?
Yeah. Okay. I'm opening the ampule.
Oh.
Stop. This is my ampule.
Okay.
And I'm going to gently make this look aesthetically pleasing. I wonder if, can I go under my eyes with it? I would love to get some benefit under my eyes.
Probably. It says apply evenly to the face. I'd expect these expensive face masks to get every part of our face all in it together.
Okay, so anyway, I'm going to coat my whole face with it. I guess I should have opened the rubber part first, because now my hands are slippy.
Oh,
wait.
God.
Here's our tube. It feels very soft
Very
and slick.
moisturizing. Once again, let's try to make this aesthetically pleasing. It's very thick applying to the skin.
All right, so.
But it feels really good. Mine feels moisturizing, of course.
All right, so I'm pulling out this
It's really nice.
thingamajig.
Can you see it? You can't. It's really thick.
All right,
It
so
feels
wait.
like slime.
Yeah, it does. It feels really good.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the. Wait, I look like an alien.
You do
Right.
the. Yeah.
So
you
there's
do
a plastic thing, a sheet that I'm taking off here. Oh,
You're gonna end up.
I don't want to rip it.
Wait.
Really am digging the look. Oh, I love this. Okay. And then I have the bottom, and it has these
So
hooks.
rubbing my.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
It's too gelatin.
Wait. Wait, it's coming off. Wait.
Glossy over here. Okay.
Okay, I thought it said it went over my ears, but no.
No, you pull it towards your ears, Anne.
Okay, look,
Evolve,
guys.
all right.
Oops.
I'm
Stay.
still trying to get mine out of the bag.
Maybe I have to hold it. Oh goodness, it's.
It's really slippery, you guys. I wish you'll.
All right,
I'm trying to get mine out of the bag.
I'm trying to make it stick.
Okay, wait.
Okay,
This
wait.
is. I have my eyeballs.
Ah! It keeps
Okay.
wanting to fall off.
I think you have to go back with it.
I'm very disappointed in this mask. I have been very careful. I have. Okay. It's very
I
gelatinous.
think I'm gonna be the pro at this. You know that you need another sip of wine.
It's not as yellow as the mask. Do you think it's going to turn this yellow?
No.
Yours is good and blue. Hang
Right.
on. Look,
I think I look super Power Ranger over here.
hers is very good compared to.
All right.
It's good
I
and
like
stuck
this
now.
mask. You have a little bit of macaroni right here.
Your nasals, your things are jiggling. Ready? I really want the most bang for the buck out of this, guys.
Right.
It looks really good.
I didn't even look at the.
I don't like this piece.
It's gonna fall off. I
Okay.
don't like the nose.
Okay.
Let's lay it down and let it seat. Let's see how long it is. 30 to 40 minutes.
Oh
We'll
my
give y'all
goodness.
updates.
Did you get? Because half of
It's so straight.
my cheese is over here. My cheese slice. Okay, there's that cheese. We're back in business.
Cheers. Maybe it's time to end it.
Hold on. I had to hit the button. Okay, wait, sit up. Sit up. Come on. Here, grab on the hand.
All right,
Here we go, because I
take
can't get this
like,
thing
it's
off. quick enough.
basically.
My hair is all up in it. Oh, God.
We couldn't wait to take it off.
Here's-
Dr. Jarts, I love you, but
Here's the
this
little-
stuff is really.
Wait. Wait. What is going on? All right. So
I'm
it
myself
says-
again.
It says you're supposed to rub this guy in now. I could not be happier to have this thing off my face.
It was just on. I
I will
like to.
never buy this thing again.
When I have a face mask on, I like to be able to sit up and look at my phone and, I don't know, see other people maybe.
Eat, drink, whatever.
Right. But
And
you
this thing-
literally have to be
these-
sitting down looking at the ceiling for 30
These
minutes.
globules just kept falling
What
off.
is-
We're so heavy. It's just it's just,
They fall off.
it's ridiculous.
I'm sure if you put the ampule on and just left it there for maybe an hour, that would be your
It would be
mask right
just
there.
fine. Yeah, it does feel good, but I mean, I think like
Does
you
feel very
said, it
moisturizing.
would have felt good.
This is the
just
most
rubbing it in.
horrendous angle I've ever seen, Mom.
So anyway, we hope you enjoyed this fun time. We are very excited to get our moving items in tomorrow. I will get my cocktail.
And we're gonna
eat our
barely
pizza,
left.
and we're going to enjoy our night on our fancy paper plates and paper cups.
An air mattress. Cheers.
Cheers. Hope you had fun. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Bye.
Bye.